Welcome to Ancient Tales by KANA channel, where we keep tales alive and forever. Episode 50. The Queen Mother Sirikit generous speech about her love story. It was pretty cute and memorable for us to have a chance to hear her actual speeches. Usually in the reign of King Ramanai, on the special occasions of King Bhumibol himself and the Queen Mother Sirikit, we used to wait to listen to their precious voices, which would be live on TV every now and then. It has become hard nowadays. So today, Ancient Tales by KANA channel would like to keep one of the Queen Mother Sirikit lovely speech about her love story with King Ramanai, her royal husband, and here it is the prettiest moment.
พ่อข้าพเจ้าก็เป็นเอกอัครราชทูตอยู่ที่กรุงปารีสตอนนั้นสมัยเด็กๆรู้สึกมีความสุขมากจะเดินไปดูใกล้ๆบริเวณตูเรเฟลนี่ทุกเย็นจะเดินไปออกกำลังที่นั่นแล้วก็ตั้งใจว่าจะมาเรียนเปียโนอยากจะเข้าคอนเสิร์ตทวาทางดนตรีว่าจะเป็นนักเปียโนถือเป็นอาชีพบาลีได้เฝ้าพระบาทสมเด็จพระเจ้าอยู่หัวก็เลยโชคดีไป
Ladies and gentlemen, basically she mentioned that my father was Thailand ambassador in Paris, France at that time. In my childhood, I was so happy. I was always walking to St. Louis to do the exercise there. I was planning to study the musical college of Motrans and becoming the professional pianist. But since I met King Bhumibol, I was even luckier. Then she laughed a lot. Thank you once again for watching Ancient Tales by KANA, where we keep tales alive and forever. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We look forward to seeing you all again. Bye for now and have a good day.